Hi, my name is Isaac and I'm 10 years old this year. My favorite food is nuggets and my favorite hobbies is playing video games and watching movies. My favorite thing to do is play Roblox. This is my wire sculpture. No, I don't think this wire sculpture resembles me as I don't wear a fedora and I do not have earrings and I also do not have a necklace to wear. The face looks normal but there's a lot of bad look to this normal face as he used to work at logistics and does not have a lot of sleep every day. I learned how to use continuous contour line and implied contour lines for this project. We found out the different types of contour lines firstly, like continuous contour line, implied contour line, and cross contour lines. After that, we made heart shapes using wire and then did our final project. Some difficulties I faced were how to attach the earrings to the face, and I found out that was by rolling loops around the face. I think my favorite part of the project was the crown as it looked like I'm a king or something. And if I could change something, it would be my face as it looks a bit awkward. In the end, this was a fun experience to have and I wish to have this experience again.